Good morning, students. Now we start a new process, and new process is spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis यानी डिफ्रेंशिएशन ऑफ स्पर्मेटिड्स. डिफ्रेंशिएशन ऑफ spermatid differentiation take place in the spermatids and forms the sperm. This process is This process is known as spermiogenesis or spermatolysis. Chromosomes number in spermatids is become haploid. Number of chromosomes in the spermatids is haploid, and the changes by which spermatids differentiate into spermatozoa. The nucleus of these spermatids contracts due to the dehydration, and all the chromosomes situated in it contract together and arrange in comparatively lesser space. This process is necessary to decrease the weight of the sperm, motile sperm. Only DNA is hereditary materials remains here, and the shape of the nucleus get changed. It becomes long and spherical. Long to convert into spherical, so the sperm can swim easily. The shape of the head of a sperm, which depends upon the shape of the nucleus. For example, human head is oval shaped, and rats and frogs is dagger shaped and spiral in birds. The acrosome of the sperm is made by differentiation of Golgi bodies. The Golgi body of sperm is made up of many cycles of arranged membranes, which is surrounded by vacuoles in the center. At the time of differentiation, one or more vacuoles increase in the size and we develop into micro dense body with the vacuole, and which is called proacrosomal particle. If there develop more than one vacuole and the particles, then end of these fuse together and only one single vacuole is formed, and vacuole attached with the particles and increase the size, and this is known as acrosomal particle. And it's form the crowd of the acrosome. and the fluid from the vacuoles comes out, and its anterior part of the nucleus is look like bilobed. Cap. This double cover is called cap of the sperm. Cap of the sperm. And the next process is spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis. Spermatid is transformed into different sperms by the process of spermiogenesis, in which morphological, metabolic and functional differentiation is done. In this process, from spermatocyte spherical non-motile haploid spermatid is formed into thread-like motile and haploid sperm. And the nucleus and Golgi body is transformed into head, yani acrosome, mitochondria into spindle, mitochondria into middle piece, not spindle, middle piece, and distal centrosome convert into tail. After spermiogenesis, the head of the sperm being imbibed in Sertoli cells, at last sperms are excluded from the seminiferous tubules by spermination. In animals, the formation of the sperm depend upon temperature, hormones, mental status, and hormones secreted by the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland, LH and FSH. LH hormone stimulates the Leydig cells, by which secrete the estrogen hormone. Androgen hormone. Leydig cells secrete the androgen hormone. Androgen induce spermatogenesis. And FSH hormone is secreted by the Sertoli cells. This hormone is helpful for the process of spermiogenesis. Sperms can alive for several years together in tracheal resting stage, cold stage, but lifespan of these sperms is 55 to 60 minutes in absence of food or more temperature. This is the complete process of spermatogenesis, and in the next video we discuss the next topic, the structure of human spermatozoa. Thanks. Have a nice day.